Ohio State University is facing a lawsuit dealing with sexual abuse, and today attorneys from several other Big Ten schools, including the University of Michigan and Michigan State University, filed their own briefs in the case supporting Ohio State. Now, they argue that the plaintiffs suing OSU over alleged Title IX violations are waiting too long to file their complaints. As Josh Sanchez reports, one attorney who represented survivors of Larry Nassar's abuse says that kind of precedent could prevent future victims from coming forward.
It's really the playbook from the church that we've seen a million times before. Trying to make an argument that because so much time has gone by, that institutions should not be held accountable for allowing these things to happen.
Attorney Jamie White has experience in taking Title IX complaints to court. White Law was one of the several law firms representing sexual assault victims of former MSU Dr. Larry Nassar. It's a similar story at Ohio State, as the school faces several lawsuits alleging administrators knew and covered up sexual abuse by campus Dr. Richard Strauss. Strauss left the university in 1998 and died in 2005. In the legal brief filed this week with the Federal Court of Appeals, attorneys with the university say allowing lawsuits to go forward after the statute of limitation had expired would hurt schools and students. They say it would leave schools to, quote, defend against claims where the only evidence remaining may well be the plaintiff's own say-so, and that in cases that are decades or years old, people should trust universities to do the right thing. They're calling such lawsuits a hardship on the universities and are asking the courts to drop the latest case. And that's why White says it comes down to money.
It has nothing to do with the allegation of culpability, whether they did it or didn't do it. It has nothing to do with that. It's all about denying people access to the courts.
White says just because a case goes to trial doesn't mean witnesses, evidence, and other things won't be needed. And if the appeal moves forward, it will likely hurt other victims from coming out.
By opening that door to the courthouse, you catch more people. There's benefits in both ways to taking a second look at the statute of limitations.
Here for you in Lansing, Josh Sanchez, 6 News.